Welcome back, Braze users. Today we're going to be diving into link aliasing and how it can boost your marketing strategies by helping you track, identify, and retarget clicks on your email links. What exactly is link aliasing? It's a feature in Braze that lets marketers create simple, recognizable, marketing-friendly links, replacing those long URLs with easy-to-track names within your campaigns and canvases. In our Braze dashboard, let's walk through setting up link aliasing in an email. For this example, we'll use an event-based promotion email. You're going to head over to your link management tab, and here you're going to see all the links within your campaign. This is where you can rename the links to make it easier for you to track within your dashboard. Let's take our registration link and let's call it sign up. When setting up retargeting, we also want to make sure to check the box for link tracking. So don't forget this step. If you miss it, you won't be able to use your link alias in segments or in the action path in a canvas. Remember that box that we checked off for sign up? This is why. So let's imagine you're tracking users who clicked on a sign up link for the event but didn't complete the registration. You can use one of the segment filters for click alias under retargeting to re-engage these users with a reminder email, encouraging them to complete their registration. You can also set up action-based triggers using an action path in Canvas. Say you have a survey link in your event follow-up email. If a user clicks the survey link, you can automatically send them a thank you message or encourage additional engagement as well. So these triggers let you respond directly to user actions in real time, enhancing that user experience. When it comes to reporting, all links are tracked within a campaign. But with link alias, instead of seeing link 1, 2, 3, or 4, this makes it much easier to identify what specific link the customer clicked on instead. To manage your link aliases, head over to Settings and select Email Preferences. Then under Link Aliasing Settings, you'll see all the links you're tracking. You also have the opportunity here to rename the links here too, and it will update across all associated campaigns and canvases, giving you full control over your link management. Let's recap the benefits of link aliasing. By using link aliasing, you can use these marketing-friendly links for segmentation by using the filters in Braze to retarget your customers. You can also use these links to create action-based trigger campaigns to send triggering messages to customers when they click on a specific link. And lastly, with link analytics, you'll be able to identify the links clearly within your campaign analytics. Thanks for watching today's video on link aliasing and Braze. For more information like this, subscribe to our channel or visit our website at covalentmarketing.com.